Hi, to our LoRaWAN Wall of Fame session during Virtual Things Conference. I'm Reinhard from Decentlab. Let me quickly introduce Decentlab and what we have done in the recent years. Decentlab was founded in 2008, and from the beginning our focus was battery-operated wireless devices. By today, more than 10 years later, we are now in 65 countries where customers have deployed our devices. So we are with the devices above Arctic Circle, in the desert, in the Australian outback, in the Amazon, below ground in the sewer systems, and in the marine environment. As you can see, we are basically in almost every climatic region, and our devices have to sustain this tough environment. I want now to show you a little bit how we make it that these devices can sustain such conditions. So first of all, I think we focus on very rugged, resistant materials which are robust against the weather conditions, UV, sewer systems, liquids, and all the kind of. An important thing is to design and reduce to the minimum amount of components, but as many as you need. So, as you see, we rely on a core part, and we have many of sensors connected. We always think as well to have it high usability for the customer, that they can maintain and can work with our devices. So one key is to easily have, in a very robust way, access to the inner part, to the core. So as you can see here, we have just a single board with a screw terminals. The antenna is internal, so we are prone against, we have less problems with vandalism, and it is also having less errors for the radio communication. We rely on simple alkaline batteries, which can be easily removed by the customer and replaced. Alkaline batteries which are available all over the world, and so easy to replace. Besides that, having a robust design in this part, I think we have also to talk a little bit about to have a robust sensor conditioning and measurement. So it is very important, and we did put a lot of work to have always proper measurements, and always that the sensors are that much conditioned that it works also in every environment, and that it always delivers good sensor values. If you have some wrong readings, your whole use case may not take off. So most of our time is sometimes more in the sensor conditioning and having proper measurements. Another thing is the installation of such sensors, and I want to come to that. So you can see we have on the back 4 screw thread. We have a very basic mounting plate, which is just like as an intro that you can start off. But I want now to show you that not only a device and the choose of a good device is relevant, a lot is as well relevant that you are successful by choosing the right way to mount the device in the environment. So there many things comes together. One thing is to have the proper location for the sensor, then having the good communication over the radio, over the LoRaWAN, and then other effects like the environmental effects, and also some of non-environmental effects which I will show later on. So here in the following pictures you see an installation on street lights for wind measurements, so it's important to have, for a good wind measurement on the left side, a distance to objects that you get a good measurement. Nevertheless, it's influenced as well by the street lights. It's always important to make the right compromise between your measurement and what is practical. On the right side is also a rather easy but robust mounting on the street light for a temperature and humidity sensor. So, but now we want to switch to level measurements with ultrasonic distance sensor, like we have shown before. We cannot provide to the customer a standard mounting because it depends so much the local site that it's more like that from case by case there has to be designed a proper mounting. Here you see the examples where customers from us did do a really great job having good measurements, good radio and LoRaWAN transmissions, and it is proven that it's reliable over many times and over many years. Sometimes the locations get even more difficult, so we have devices which are mounted in the high altitudes, which are only reachable by helicopter, or are really hard to go to there during a lot of time of the years. As you can see in this picture from the Swiss Alps, it's a lot more than just having LoRaWAN devices. It's really a good example that it's a lot more to be successful than just having the device. It is about planning, it's about local installation, and then have a durable solution. So, I explain you shortly a little bit what is key beside the communication and beside the electronics and PCBs, so more what is outside, also relevant. But I have to say, sometimes we may not win always the fight against some of our deployments. So in this picture you can see that it was treated really badly by vandals. Nevertheless, it's still operational due to the robust design. It looks a little bit bad, but the customer was forced to measure at the altitude where people are moving, so you are in the reach of the people, and so sometimes things can happen like that. But this is really not, or almost never the case. But here you also can clearly see that an external antenna would have been disastrous. On the other side, there's also a nice part. Our devices are sometimes as well attracted by some street art, and so we somehow give a surface where you can put your art and show it to the pedestrians. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of our devices, getting a glimpse where our devices are used and how it looks like, and get some inspiration for your own deployments. So I wish you a good virtual conference, and thank you for listening to us.